go to groups, go to create new group, enter the group name. It can be anything you want. Certain companies or direct sales business won't let you use their company name in the title of your group. So just bear that in mind. Something that people will remember, and it can be changed later. Next, choose privacy. Most direct sales, they have to be private. Make sure it's visible so people can find it. And you can invite friends later. For now, we'll just close that and create it. Next thing we want to do is change this cover photo. And if you click on the edit button, you can upload it. You can choose it from other photos. We're going to upload. Choose it from wherever. There it is. You can position it how you want. Then we're going to go to discussion and just kind of check things out. It does give you a little checklist here where you can write a description. Again, you want to write something that is clear and kind of gives people an overview. You can add to it and change it later if you'd like. You know, you can add members later, make people administrators and moderators. Here in the group header photo, Facebook cover photo, it's good to write a little description here too. If you have a link that you want to send people to, this is a good place to put it. People will click on that picture and they can go to the link. You can do it in a comment as well. That's in the description of the picture itself. Okay. Back to the settings, which are all the way on the left. The settings are all the way at the bottom. And you can change your color to your group. You may want to change that seasonally, monthly, never, whatever. You can choose whatever color you like. Make sure it's private. You can also choose who can join. Only profiles is good instead of pages. Post, you can choose all that. I choose to approve member posts just in case somebody comes in and starts spamming your group. One really great thing we can do right now is change the web address, so that way it's not a bunch of numbers. You can name it whatever you want as long as it's available. So we're going to try a few things here and see what happens. Once you have a group that you like, if that green checkbox is there and it says it's available, great, save it. They can go facebook.com/group/ whatever your group name is. And that's it.